One morning safari at Tala Zone, and we didn't sight any tiger yet. But now, in the afternoon safari, the jungle feels different. The jungle is alive, alarm calls are echoing, and somewhere out there, the king or the queen is watching us. Will this finally be our moment or another taste of patience? Let's see. If you have watched our last vlog on Bandhavgarh, you already know our first safari was extremely beautiful. We sighted some animals and some really rare, critically endangered species of birds. However, the stripes eluded us. Our first safari was at Tala Zone, and now we are heading into our second safari, again into the same zone, that is the Tala Zone, with even more hope, more excitement, and maybe, just maybe, today is the day. As we entered the forest, everything felt fresh, the light, the sound, the energy. Bandhavgarh is known for its tigers, but spotting one in the wild is never guaranteed, and that's exactly what makes it so thrilling. We checked in some water bodies, and after that, this time our guide Bhartiji took us on a completely different trail. The road was so challenging here. There were some caves in this area, and this area is known as Badi Gufa. We checked the caves for the presence of any animals. There were simply no vehicles around us. We searched in that area, but we couldn't find any clue about the stripes. In these caves, many a times tigers are being spotted earlier, but now we didn't have any luck. So we started returning to the other areas. Way back, we spotted a male sambar deer, a gorgeous one, relaxing under the shades of a tree. The roads in this area were so bumpy that we have to hold on to the jeep very tightly so that we didn't fall off. The road was so challenging, I was worried that the jeep might break down at any moment and we will be stranded in this area where there was not a single jeep visible apart from us. Thankfully, nothing such happened and we were out of this area. On the way, we even stopped to check on an alarm call that we have heard. But no, nothing happened. We really didn't have any luck to see the stripes. There were some wild boars which went deep inside the forest on seeing us. In this area, we saw the forest department officials are collecting the leaves and burning it at the side of the road. This is done to create a fire line. This trail was very far off from the other trails like Siddha Baba and the other areas. And now we were at a point where the leaves were still burning at the side of the road. And if we go back, we will lose our precious time. And we cannot move ahead with this fire. So we didn't know what to do. So we asked the forest department official, and he said to wait for some time. We decided that would be the best thing to do at this moment. So once the fire was manageable and we got a confirmation from the forest department official that we can go ahead, we went ahead through it. It felt like we were doing some stunt from the Akshay Kumar movie. And thank God we didn't return from that point and continued because I got a very good live fur on the way, a painted spurfall. The painted spurfall male was so beautiful. It was overall very bright colored with dense white spots. It kept on foraging, even on seeing us. Though our heart was searching for tigers, we didn't want to miss this. On the way, we also got an Indian thickney. This bird was also a lifer for me. I am seeing this bird for the first time. And it was so confident on its camouflage, it stays at one place while our jeep crossed it. On the way, we also spotted a very cute spotted owlet. And then we reached an area where a tiger has been spotted by some safari jeep. They heard alarm calls and saw the stripes moving in the jungle. And then we also started hearing the alarm calls. The sharp, repeated sound from deer is sound that signals that a predator is nearby. And this alarm call was from a sambar deer who gives this alarm call when it sees a tiger moving. We stopped, eyes scanning every corner.
पानी से है पूरा।
हाँ लेकिन पानी ये पूरा पानी है क्या?
पीछे तक।
ओहो, नहीं लग रहा है कि यहीं पे आएगा।
हाँ है तो।
Right now we are at a water body and we have heard multiple alarm calls. Most probably the tiger is moving now. Let's wait and watch. सब आ गए, सब आ गए। हाँ हाँ यही आ रहा है, यही आ रहा है, यही आ रहा है। हाँ they are moving out, नहीं आ रहा है।
Other jeeps also started coming to this location as the alarm call was very frequent and loud now. Waited, and we waited for long. Every rustle in the grass made our hearts race. This is the part of safari which really tests your patience, and everyone should have this patience to get a sight of the majestic tiger. The jungle doesn't work on our expectations.
We are waiting for more than 30 minutes now. We heard multiple alarm calls. We waited, but nothing happened. The tiger or tigress, we are not sure. It's still inside that area, dense area, and it's making some movement at times, which was spotted. But we are waiting till. Let's see what happens next.
It was a really long wait. And finally, we could see the stripes inside the jungle, just a glimpse. We were not so lucky, even in the safari, to see a tiger move clearly, but the glimpse was unexpected and it was thrilling. But then again, that's wildlife. It teaches you sometimes that you don't come here just to see a tiger, you come here to feel the jungle, and the waiting was extremely thrilling. The understanding of wildlife and these decisions are very important in a safari. Our guide told it was the area of Chorbera female and she is a very shy tigress. So it was our decision whether to wait at this point because it was very unlikely for the tigress to come out with so many safari vehicles. We decided to check the other area, the Siddha Baba area, and we left that area. We reached the Siddha Baba area. The time was running out and it was almost evening now. If we are lucky, we can catch the Siddha Baba female with her cubs, the recent and the previous litters, patrolling their area. Let's see if we have that luck. The female has just crossed this area and she has moved into this grassland. She is resting somewhere. We just missed her.
बाग है वहाँ से चल के आया था इधर।
और पीछे वहाँ पे जो जगह है वहीं कहीं पे होगा।
The pug marks were very fresh. We got tensed. Maybe we could finally get a clear sighting of the female as she was in the grassland. We really hoped we had more time, but then the safari time was getting over. As the safari slowly comes to an end, our hearts were little heavy and filled with doubts. Do we really have a tiger luck? What a powerful animal the tiger is. Even if the jungle showed us so many beautiful species, yet we were longing for the clear sight of a single animal, the majestic tiger, though we already got a glimpse of that. Next day, we have safaris in the Khitoli zone. Will our wait finally end in the next safari? Let's see. If you are enjoying this journey with us, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Explore Life with Shudappa. Because, trust me, this journey is just getting started.